In the vast world of e-commerce, where online stores and Amazon sellers aim to climb the sales ladder, navigating through Amazon can be daunting. This is where tools like Jungle Scout and SmartScout step in. They serve as navigators to help you explore products efficiently, enabling you to identify those golden opportunities that could lead to high sales. Let's delve deeper into the world of Jungle Scout versus SmartScout to help you decide which tool is better for you. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Jungle Scout has been a go-to for many Amazon FBA sellers over the years, earning its place as a trusted partner in the competitive e-commerce space. This tool doesn't just offer a glimpse into product research, it provides a deep dive into the essentials of running a successful online business. With Jungle Scout, you can discover products with high sales potential, manage your inventory effectively, and gain insights into your sales performance. Its comprehensive set of features supports you at every step of your Amazon journey, from startup to scaling up. Whether you are a newcomer or an experienced seller, Jungle Scout's user-friendly interface and robust capabilities make it an attractive choice. It's designed to meet a broad spectrum of e-commerce needs, simplifying the complexities of selling on Amazon. For those seeking a tool that offers everything under one roof, Jungle Scout stands out as the ideal solution. In contrast, SmartScout shines in its specialized focus, particularly appealing to those in the realms of Amazon wholesaling or reselling. It positions itself as the precision tool in your e-commerce toolkit, optimized for specific strategic maneuvers. SmartScout's excellence lies in its detailed wholesale database and insightful competitor analysis tools, which are indispensable for anyone in the reselling business. What makes SmartScout even more appealing is its free trial offering, providing a risk-free opportunity to explore its functionalities. This feature is a significant advantage for those cautious about immediate investments, something not available with Jungle Scout. SmartScout's targeted approach make it a powerful ally for niche strategies, allowing users to delve into the nuances of wholesaling and reselling with confidence. For sellers focused on these specific business models, SmartScout offers tailored tools that can help carve out a competitive edge on Amazon. Digging into the differences, the first notable point is the entry barrier. Jungle Scout requires a financial commitment upfront since it doesn't offer a free trial, which might deter some potential users. However, for dedicated Amazon FBA sellers, this investment often translates into substantial returns. Thanks to Jungle Scout's extensive feature set and market leadership, on the other hand, SmartScout invites you with open arms, offering a free trial that lets you explore its capabilities without initially opening your wallet. This aspect makes SmartScout an attractive option for small businesses or newcomers to the Amazon marketplace who are cautious about upfront expenses. Focusing on the features, Jungle Scout is like the Swiss Army knife for Amazon sellers. Its opportunity finder helps you pinpoint lucrative product niches, while the Keyword Scout ensures your listings climb to the top of Amazon's search results. The Sales Analytics tool is another gem, offering a clear view of your financial landscape on Amazon. It's a suite designed not just for discovering and selling products, but for managing your entire Amazon business lifecycle. SmartScout, while having a narrower scope, excels in its domain. The seller's map and brand scores are innovative features that provide a competitive edge by revealing where your competitors are and which products are top sellers. SmartScout's traffic flow graph and UPC scanner demystify the complexities of product demand and profitability, making it easier for you to decide on the best products to sell. In terms of user experience, Jungle Scout wins hearts with its intuitive interface and robust support system, including the Jungle Scout Academy, which is a huge collection of learning resources. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those new to Amazon selling can navigate through its features features with ease. SmartScout, while praised for its simplicity, has a learning curve, especially for new users. The interface, though straightforward, requires a bit of exploration to fully leverage its capabilities. However, once you get the hang of it, SmartScout becomes an invaluable tool, especially for those focused on wholesaling and reselling. Pricing is always a crucial consideration, and here both tools have their pros and cons. Jungle Scout, with its no free trial policy, might seem like a leap of faith for some. However, its array of features justifies the price, offering good value for money, especially for serious Amazon FBA sellers. Jungle Scout offers 3 different pricing plans, starting at $39 per month for a basic plan that includes a Chrome extension and essential product research tools. If you are looking for more comprehensive features like a product database, keyword scout, and sales analytics, the standard Jungle Scout plan costs $49 per month. For those who want everything, including both the features of Jungle Scout and the Chrome extension, the combined plan is $69 per month. SmartScout's pricing, while competitive, offers a gentler entry point with its free trial, making it a more budget-friendly option for small businesses or those still exploring the Amazon selling landscape. SmartScout's pricing begins at $97 per month for the starter plan, providing access to its seller map, brand search, and other key features for one user. The Pro plan at $187 per month adds more advanced features like traffic graphs and Excel exports for 2 users. For larger businesses with custom needs, SmartScout offers an enterprise plan with pricing based on specific requirements. When it comes down to making a choice, it's essential to weigh your specific needs against what each tool offers. If you are deeply involved in Amazon FBA and are looking for a tool that can support a wide range of e-commerce activities, Jungle Scout is your go-to. In-depth and breadth of features are designed to not only help you find profitable products, but also manage your sales, inventory, and customer feedback, offering a comprehensive solution for scaling your business. Conversely, if you are leaning towards Amazon wholesaling or reselling, SmartScout specialized tools for competitor analysis and product research make it a compelling choice. The ability to test it out through a free trial adds to its appeal, providing a risk-free opportunity to see if it aligns with your business model. In the end, choosing between Jungle Scout and SmartScout depends on what you need for your Amazon business. Jungle Scout offers plans that can fit different needs and budgets, starting with basic tools and going up to more advanced features. SmartScout is great too, especially for those who need specific insights into wholesale and reselling. But if you are looking for a tool that grows with your business and offers a wide range of features to help you find, track, and sell products, Jungle Scout is the way to go. It's the best choice for anyone serious about making their mark on Amazon. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.